them have money, so mommy change mind. But even if them have money, what you gonna do? Sex him? Leave him, make him have a sex life different from mommy time. If that's the case, set up say, pan Friday or pan this, you look for me. Or just make some time for mommy then. If you're such a mommy's, can you have some money and some mommy's boy, you know? If that be the case, yeah, just don't you see, the only way is unless the girl them disrespectful for the mother them. Though disrespectful to the mother them. Some of the mother them forget disrespected now. If them rude and pass them praise for no reason. But you have some girl just rude to mothers for no reason. The girls say they live upon speaker and the mother they so they might think she had that word. Lord have mercy, turn me down. Turn me down. We live together, but you call him and pop up if him not answer, and she blame me for everything. Him not talk to her as much anymore. I want to the lady there. What she mean by she a pop up? She not no man. She not have no man. Listen to me. If I'm me and you see where she live? Me and walk around at the community and look a man give her. Cause you see she just want a man. She not no friend. She not a life. No, so what she mean by she a pop up? Buy 2 dogs, put in the yard, and don't make them get used to her. Buy 2 dogs, put in the yard front, and when she pop up and bite her and tear her. Basically, at the end of the day, you need to talk to her. You get what I say? You need to sit down. You see, communication in a relationship is very important. I communicate a lot. Back then, I used to cuss. My friend used to tell me, say, oh, we can't talk to you because everything you cuss and get mad for. No, I talk out things now. I talk out things. So, sit down with your man and say, babes, I love you and everything, but your mother... you know, she kind of make me feel uncomfortable in a relationship. But I don't feel like I'm have it for myself. It's like I feel like I share with your mother. So I just appreciate if I can just talk to her and just make sure you know, say, me get big numbers. I don't know. So, but just, you know, certain things just can't go up again. My father called me a lot, you know, because he's a daddy's girl right through, you know. But my father now come in between me and my man. He's going to call me if he don't get me, he don't get me. But when I'm free, I'll call him. So when your man is free, call him. So just him can just say to she say, yo, mommy, with me not answer, I'm busy. But as me free up, me I call you. You get what I say? So him after can talk to him mother. So mommy, if me not answer you, I'm busy. But you see when time, Lord God, she said she the past week and the woman then at the house. So she didn't know. Jesus God, what a mother. Yeah, some of them afraid of their mother for true. Because you can't tell some of your mother ignorant. You can't chat to your mother, you know. I could chat to my own. I love you about your mother across. That's what you say? Nah, there with no man with their mother in control. Yeah, I'm not there with no man. Like, right now, you know, it's not easy to find a man right now. But mother and my virgin look a man. I can't bother with that. Love or not, if you love me, can you see in a relationship with a man have to love you more than how you love him for your work. Did you know that? Yeah, if you love a man more than how him love you, it will never work. No matter how you try to push it and stretch it, it will never work. It will never work out. So the only way that relationship will work is unless your man love you more. You see, if your man love you more, him not gonna make the mother put you and female relationship in a no jeopardy. Yeah? So you need to go down and sit down with him. You have to disrespect her, you have to disrespect him. And you need to say to him, say, yo, I love you and everything, but your mother is a problem in our relationship. You get what I'm saying? And we need to sort out this. Just make sure you know, so when my father come every day. But nobody can come between me and my father either. And my man really have a problem with me and my father nah nothing. Can you feel mother call him too. But my father does have to understand. So when I'm free, I call him back. My father just call me ill, we talk, we laugh, ramp up, play. Sometimes come look for me. But yeah. But it's not my father not gonna come to my yard every single day, want to talk to me every single day. If him call me, he will talk to me. But if him not get me, him just not get me and I just so. You get me? Some people, I don't know how I'm going to let my son go. Yes. Someone have to know for let go on a son. Because you see, sometimes when I cling it to the son till the son take on a time, don't like, you know. And eat, you know, and get enough on. So sometimes when the son tired out, sometimes if I make on a son miss, you know. When if I make on a pitney, them miss me. Them just call out of the blues and say, Mommy, why you not call me? Dash more so. She jealous bad if I take picture and kiss. My palm my forehead, she want to tear down the place and I want him to take picture. What? What you mean? She jealous if him take picture and kiss you by your forehead. She want to tear down the place and make him do the same. What time I know? 4:16 A. I soon come up for this phone here, no, can nah make my man come and the house no clean, and the food no cook. Too early for cook still, but the house have to clean. But what kind of mother? You sure mother-in-law? Are you matey? Cause that don't sound like a mother-in-law, you know. That sound like a mate. What you mean by she want to kiss her up on her friend and take picture? She not get him enough kiss when him younger. She not kiss him go to school every day. She not kiss him go in bed every day. She not get that every single day. No, so this not sound right, man. Some mothers are overbearing and most time they're not knowing they are interfering but don't care. Exactly. Some of them know and some of them just don't like it. You see some mother-in-law situation run up in them don't like it. See, because they not buy them out like the other girl them don't like it. I've been in a relationship like that before where the mother-in-law don't like me because I not buy the things them like the other girl them. Or through the girl them did come from far and I used to bring down things and bring down clothes and this and that. And that girl the mother like, the mother don't like me because I'm not buying no relationship. I'm not buying no love because you don't really love me. I love me for my things them. So when my money done it gone. Yeah. Me not buying no love. I'm not buying no relationship. That's why I have to love my mother-in-law. She don't business about nothing. She call her son check on him. She call me check on him. Drive safe on the road here. Be careful here. That is she. It hurt me. She help me. If I want dish, she will mix my local juice them and send them down. I'm freeze my juice them and drink my juice them. She will do all of them something for me. Yeah. She a real girl. She not dream but Jesus God. Come here girl. The woman she's a real lady. A real lady. Jesus God. Whoa. You see me? Real lady. She's a real lady. Murder! Yes, Tinel, fuck that, me hot girl. Hey, Queenie are my spirit animal. Queenie ball today and serious next time. Queenie ball today and then here. Fuck that, Miss Hot Girl. Fuck that. Girl, talk to your man. I think you're not talk to your man about it because it's a touchy topic. I'm afraid for address him about his mother. Talk to your man. You get what I'm saying? And address him about his mother. And just say, no disrespect to your mother or anything, but this is just how I feel. And to be honest, if it no work out, man, I think I can do this. Yeah, I'm not afraid to tell man so I can't do this. You know, say I want thing with we do. If we are go naked and I go on with yourself, you know, a man don't afraid to tell us say him can't go do this if this not work, if this not do this. Or if you not do this, you can't there. Man don't afraid to do that. So I'm not afraid to do that. I want him to return energy. My return energy, I'm coming like a man. Yeah, nobody can tell him I'm coming like a man. Yeah. Can't bad me up, I can't tough if I can't. No. So love me make me soft. So, see when I call a man can look on you and say, yo, if you not do this, it's done. Or if this not work out, it done. Tell him that too. I know one man make funny, you know. I know one, look how much man God sit down and mold up. Look how much flour the man sit down and mold up and make. And put on the earth. Look how much man God put on the earth. One feel like say if this is over, if this relationship is over, that is it. No. Me love my man, you know, but if the relationship don't work out, it just don't work out. What me I gonna do? It's just not for me. It's just not for me. And sometimes things not go like say, oh no, soulmate. Don't name the blood class soul when people just get up and pick up soulmate. If it a work, it a work. If it not work, it not work. That's just it. And a one man God make out the fool. So if it don't work out, it just don't work out, and that is just it is not the end of the world. See him like how only in love in another one here, and I'm happy in another one here, and everything I go on good feeling in another one here, and same way it can go on in our next one. Same way. If it not work, it just not work. And that is what I tell myself. When I ever meet a man yet, I want to meet a man and just in love, everything good and just feel like this is the one. This is the relationship. Everything just are going good. Everything are going good. Everything nice. And I said, that man yeah, other man yeah for me and it don't work out. And then the thing say, oh, me will never find love again. I will never ever find a love like this. I will never ever find a love like this again. And then guess what? I only that will find love again. So don't afraid for start over. You're not afraid for staying at the one place one there forever. So I'm not too comfortable. When I come out, guys, my life is ending and I'm coming off of life. I'm going to clean my house and I'm going to cook some stew chicken and white rice for my husband with a slice of pear because I am a fiance.